Bonjour, mon amour. Good morning, my love.
Bonjour, good morning.
Tu as bien dormi? Did you sleep well?
Oui, très bien. Et toi? Yes, very well. And you?
Moi aussi, me too.
Tu veux du café? Do you want some coffee?
Oui, s'il te plaît. Yes, please.
Avec du lait? With milk?
Oui, un peu. Yes, a little.
Voilà, here you go.
Merci. Thank you.
Tu veux du pain? Do you want some bread?
Oui, yes.
Avec du beurre ou de la confiture? With butter or jam?
De la confiture. Jam.
Quelle saveur? Which flavor?
Fraise. Strawberry.
Tiens, here you are.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much.
Tu travailles aujourd'hui? Are you working today?
Oui, yes.
Tu commences à 9 heures? Do you start at 9?
Oui, yes.
Bonne journée, have a nice day.
Toi aussi. You too.